Day 73.
Namaste, yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 postures later, it is clear hip openers are the big boys or girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride. out of butterfly. Take your feet as wide as possible, straddle them against a wall. Try to bring your heels on the wall and then point your toes outwards away from each other. And you can make any necessary adjustments with your hands. And then you can bring your hands on the wall and then keep using that support of the wall to push your hips slightly forward as if you're moving them towards the wall. You'll instantly feel some deep sensation on the inner thighs and the hamstrings. We're going to stay here for about 90 seconds, and with every exhale, see whether you can keep shifting your weight more towards the wall. These are very good posture just to prepare for the middle splits. It's not really our goal for this particular challenge, but who knows, the future is very bright. So stay here, keep breathing in and out. And then you can even use the floor just to go to push the hips slightly further the longer you stay in this posture. Keep your chest upright. Oh gosh, it's a lot. And then when you're ready, hands to your heart center. Namaste. Bye guys.